Quiz. One more quiz question. Property names must be given as text. True or false? Property name means what a property name? Marker size. That is the property name. Marker face color. Marker edge color. That should be given as text. They are saying it is true or false. True. We'll try to. Yes. You remember we were giving them in single quotes, right? Which means it is a text. Obvious. One more quiz question. Great. See that what is wrong with the syntax. Plot data, comma, line width, comma, marker, edge color, comma, 3, comma, R. So what is wrong in this command? Somebody, three options are there and they have given checkbox. So multiple options can also be taken. Say me what is the answer. You assume it to be A, B, C and say me what is the answer. I hope first one is nothing is wrong is wrong because there seems to be some mistake with the plot. So A will not come. Whether B will come, whether C only will come, or both B and C will come, you have to say me the answer. You have to say me the answer. Line width, line width and marker edge color should be given within single quotes. That is one thing wrong. And line width should be followed by 3. Marker edge color should be followed by R. So they have given everything continuously. So the property name, we'll see what is the answer, B and C, or only 3. We'll check 2 and 3 and see whether the answer is correct. Yes. See, line width means immediately you should give the value. Marker edge color means immediately you should give the value. You should not type everything and then give the value separately. MATLAB cannot understand. And one more thing, whenever you are going to use properties, remember you have to use single quotes. Otherwise, this will be taken as a variable. Line width should be declared in your plot. Otherwise, it will say line width variable not found. Okay. Next one is specifying color in your plot. These questions are over. Thanks for the answers what you gave in the chat box. It was nice to see.